Hey guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this small case for GoPro Heroes. Now this case, I actually took out the foam inserts that it comes with, but it comes pre-cut with some different slots for you to insert a GoPro case. I'll show you kind of how I've used it over the years. I've thrown my resources just in this like this, and this is why I ended up just taking the foam inserts out because it's such a quality case. And then I'd throw some of my GoPro attachments and just place them in the bag here. I've got some different bag attachments, and then I'd close this and it'd be all good to go. And there's this nice zipper attachment here for cables, any extra little things you have, and you can close that zipper up. But this case does a really good job of just protecting your camera or whatever resources you're throwing in here. And as you can see, it's similar to luggage. It has a little bit of a flex, but it's got that harder material, reinforced and soft fabric on the inside to protect it. So great case. You can kind of get a feel for the size of it compared to my hand here. And yeah, this thing's been great. I've had it for a few years now and going to continue using it. Once again, this small case for GoPro Heroes, carrying case for cameras, GoPros, and this is the red version of it. So hopefully this helps kind of show you what to expect. The only thing that I don't have in here still is those foam inserts, but you can always remove those if you want, or you can remove the little cutouts they have for them and fit them to your needs. So hopefully this helps. Catch you on the next one.